Hi everyone, it's John here from Fine & Country and welcome to Blindwell, an astonishing mid-century 5-bedroom detached residence sat in a plot of 1.3 acres with astonishing views over the Tor estuary, looking towards Hartland Point and beyond. As you approach the property, you've got an extensive driveway which sweeps round into an impressive entrance hall with stained glass windows and 5 garages, 2 of which are joined to the property and 3 are perfectly suitable for classic cars and delicate vehicles that are damp proofed and weather protected. There's also a 24-panel solar array on the roof and 2 Tesla batteries as well. As part of the extensive and sympathetic restorations that the current owners made to the property, which include restoration of all of the windows and doors into double glazing with Iroko wood to sympathetically complement the rest of the house and the design throughout. Outside the property there is a stunning individually built glass summer house that boasts of views which is perfect for observing in all seasons. The property itself also boasts 5 double bedrooms, 2 of which are located at each wing of the property and benefit from their own private balconies looking over the views and the gardens beyond. Their main bedroom is an impressive suite as you walk through, with a stained glass wall allowing light to pour through, with dressing area and sliding doors leading out to a private balcony space, which offers further scope for another building as the former owner planned, which was an observatory. Here we are in the 5th bedroom, which is located on the ground floor and lends itself perfectly to be an integral annex to the home. Perfect for loved ones or as an independent income as a holiday let as well. It has its own access leading out from the garden with kitchen and shower room area as well. And here we are in the rear garden, which is a southwesterly facing, maturely landscaped space. You've got a variety of plants and trees, including a mulberry tree, fruit cages and raised vegetable beds, with a large lawn in grounds approximately 1.3 acres. There's also a variety of elevated seating areas which are perfect for outdoor dining and enjoying the stunning views. This fantastic home in its amazing position and these stunning views is something that you'd be interested in. Give us a call on 01271 347 861.